So ka na! Mabilisan na to! Martinos Miguel! Kabalen Duo! Kirsten! Eliza and Almira!
Pasensya ka na.
Judges, last na po ito ha. Last na po, please. Ito.
Palakpakan for the last but not the least, yes! Mahal na mahal tayo ni Sir Omo.
Yes, that's why you him the Senpai, where's the money?
Senpai, kilala kita.
Where's the money?
Hindi ka pa nagbabago.
Scholarship and 1,500 dirhams for application for Australia.
Oh, word.
Our fifth placer is none other than...
Oh my God!
Martinos Miguel!
You will receive 500 dirhams in cash and those sponsors.
Sponsors natin.
From our...
Congratulations! One more.
Wag po muna kayo.
Season is none other than... Kabalen Duo! Our third place for Kabayan Got Talent Season 1 is none other than... Kirsten!
That is the girl.
Langin mo ulit, our UTI representative.
Ano yung UTI?
Upper throat infection.
Saan ba ba't ka nagtatago?
Congratulations, Kirsten, napakagaling mo na pakausap.
Yes, I love
her.
Who will receive either Mini Cooper or
10,000 dirhams. Mamimili ka. Cash. Okay, sino ang bet nyo? Team Eliza! Team Almira! Season 1 is none other than average score of 96.9.
Oh my God.
Almira! Our grand champion, the human beatbox, Almira!
Bigay muna. O yan, tinapon nyo na yung mga prop. Pati yung tatay ko natamaan.
And our first runner-up or second place is none other than Eliza, getting the average score of 94.7. Ang sabi ni boss, mamimili ka if you're going to get the 10,000 cash or the key of the Mini Cooper. Pero siguro, let her decide na lang. Oo, mamaya. Oo, bigyan na muna natin siya ng moment.
Sabi ni Sir Omar, take your time.
Oo, take your time.
Pag hindi take, ayusin lang ang desisyon.
Firstly,
Yes.
firstly, baba na lang. Natihigan na dito.